Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to Physics IIT online class. Our third chapter name is Electricity. Synopsis 3 and 4. Once again, I recall the previous topics. What is electricity? Definition of the current. Definition of the unit current. It is defined as the time rate of flow of charge through any cross section of a conductor. Electric current equal total charge flowing per time taken. I equal to Q by T. Unit. SI unit of electric current is ampere. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per second. Here we taking the coulomb, that is the charged particles. The current through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing per second. That is the electric current definition. And as a matter of convention, the direction of flow of positive charge gives the direction of current. This is called conventional current. The direction of electrons gives the direction of electric current. Types of current. Steady current. The current whose magnitude does not change with time is called steady current. Here magnitude does not change. Next current is varying current. The current whose magnitude changes with time is called varying current. Next one, alternating current. The current whose magnitude changes continuously with time and direction, that is called the alternating current. Electric circuit diagram and circuit. A circuit may be represented by a diagram that uses symbols for the elements used in the circuit, showing the elements are connected to each other. Such a diagram is called electric circuit. Let us see the different components and their symbols used in the circuit diagram. An electric cell, a battery or combination of cells. Plug key or switch open, plug key or switch closed. These are the symbols. A wire joint, wires crossing without joining. Electric bulb, resistor or resistance, capital R. Variable resistance or restart. Ammeter, which are measuring the current, that is the ammeter, and voltmeter, which are measured voltage. That device is called the voltmeter. Once again listen. Electric symbols and their functions. Battery. 2 or more cells joined together. This battery is made up of 3 cells. Cell. Source of current, electricity. Light bulb. Converts electrical energy into light and thermal energy. Motor. Converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Switch. Knife or button. Can be opened to stop a current or closed to allow the current to flow. Fuse. Prevents too much current from flowing through a circuit, will break during a surge and protect the circuit. Ammeter. Measure current flow of electrons. Voltmeter. Measure voltage, volts, potential energy. Resistor. A device that impedes, slows the flow of electrons. Ground connection. Connects the circuit to the earth. Now we will discuss about connecting the cells in series and parallel connections. Activity. Take a dry cell, bulb, switch and connecting copper wires. Red wire is the positive terminal connected to the positive terminal to bulb. Again red wire connected to the switch. Black wire is the negative terminal that is connected to the switch. Disconnect the negative terminal of the cell and connect the another cell to it. Now connect the switch wire to the negative terminal of the cell. Observe the intensity of light. Observation. From the activity, we observe that the intensity of bulb less when a single cell is used to circuit. Similarly, the intensity of bulb increases when the two cells connected in series in the circuit diagram. Learning. By connecting the cells in series, we get a battery. The intensity of bulb increases if we use a battery. The battery cells in the torch are also connected in series. Series combination of cells. Cells are said to be connected in series when the number of cells are connected end to end in such a way that the positive terminal of one cell connects to the negative terminal of the next cell. The electromotive force of cells gets added up when connected in cells in series. For example, the electromotive force of the one rise cell is 1.5 volts. So, the EMF electromotive force of two dry cells is 3 volts. EMF each battery E. Internal resistor of each battery small r. The total electromotive force of n cells in series sigma n I equal to 1 EI equal to NE. Total internal resistance of n series resistance Ri sigma Ri equal to NR. As the driving force of electricity increases, the bulb glows brightly. Current through the external resistor I equal to NE by NR plus capital R. Ne number of electrons. If the external resistor R is very large when compared to the internal resistor of each cell small r, I equal Ne by Nr plus capital R. Here I equal current, N is number of electrons and R is resistance. The current through the local resistance capital R will be N times the current sent by a single cell through the same capital R, that is the resistance power. Connecting bulbs in parallel. Connect 3 bulbs in a parallel, that is one end of each of 3 bulbs are connected to one wire. The other ends of the 3 bulbs are connected to another wire. These 2 wires are connected to a cell. All the 3 bulbs glow with brightness. Difference between series and parallel connection. Series circuits. Series circuits are sometimes called current coupled or daisy chain coupled. The current in a series circuit goes through every component in the circuit. Therefore, all of the components in series connect carry the same current. There is only one path in series circuit in which the current can flow. Parallel circuits. If 2 or more components are connected in a parallel, they have the same potential difference across their ends. The potential differences across the components are the same in magnitude and they also have the identical polarities. The same voltage is applicable to all circuit components connected in a parallel. The total current is the sum of the current through the individual components in accordance with the Kirchhoff current law. The difference between Series circuit and parallel circuit. Series circuits are basic types of electrical circuits in which all components are connected in a chain so that the same current flows through all of them. Parallel circuits are types of circuits in which the same voltage occurs in all components with the current dividing among the components based on their resistance or the impedance. Series circuits. Series circuit intends to have the same amount of current flow through all the components placed in sequence. Parallel circuits. Parallel series components are not in sequence, but they are parallel to each other. Series will have all the components in the same single path of the current flow. Parallel series split the current flow, and the current flowing through each component will eventually combine to form the current flowing in the source. In series circuits, the connection or circuit will not be complete if one component in the series burns out. Parallel circuits will still continue to operate at least with other components if one parallel connected component burns out. Electric current and its effects. Electric circuit. The closed conducting path in which the electric current flows is called an electric circuit. An electric circuit constitutes of a source of electric current, cells, etc., conducting wires, an electrical appliance, bulb, etc., the switch or key. When the switch is closed, the circuit is said to be off. In the condition current flows and the appliance works, for example bulb glowing. However, the circuit is said to be an open circuit when the switch is open and there is no current. A device that produces an electric current is called a source of electric current. Examples are cells, batteries, etc. Battery. When two or more cells are used to draw an electric current, the combination of cells is called battery. In a battery, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the another cell negative terminal. Many devices such as torches, transistors, toys, TV remote controls use the batteries. Bulb. It produces light and is represented by the coiled wire inside the circle. Wire. The connecting wire is represented by the straight lines. It is usually made up of copper and provided the wire. A plug key is an electric switch. It is shown on both on and off positions of the battery. The thin long line represents the positive terminal and thick short line represents the negative terminal. Battery. The combination of two or more cells is called battery. Its symbol is also combination of cells symbol. Fuse. It is a safety device and electric circuit. The components such as cells, bulbs, wires, etc. are called elements of the electric circuit. The various components of circuit are represented by the standard current. It is much easier to draw the electric diagrams. Therefore, we generally represent an electric circuit by its circuit diagrams. Symbols of some common components are shown here. When an electric bulb glows continuously for a long time, it becomes very hot, as some part of the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. This is known as the heating effect of the electricity. the heating element in a many electric appliances like electric rod, electric oven, electric toaster, etc. Take 10 cm long piece of nichrome wire, tie it both sides. Now touch the wire, switch on the current. The circuit by moving the switch on. Touch the wire again. Do not hold the wire for a long time. Touch the wire again after few minutes. We observe that the wire becomes hot when electric circuit produces heat. This is called the heating effect of electricity. Miniature circuit breaker. MCB can also be used to protect the circuit from strong currents. Strong current often leads to other heating of wires, which can result in the breakout of fires. A fuse is also used for the protection of circuit, which consists of thin wire of low melting wire. In 1820, the Danish physicist Hans Christian Ørsted discovered that flowing current in a conductor generates current. Ørsted demonstrated this is the connecting the two ends of the connecting wires. Then he placed the magnetic cell. Now, when he allowed the current to pass through the wire by closing the switch, he also noticed that it acquires its original position when the flow of current. Take a discharged matchbox needle inside it and connect the wire free ends of the wire to an electric circuit. Note the directions of the current. Bring a compass and come to the bar magnets. At the same time, we will observe that the needle gets the deflected again. Now move the switch back. We will observe that the needle come back. So we conclude that electric current passes through wire, behaves like a magnet. Take a tray from inside the divider. Wrap an electric wire few times around the wire. Place a small compass near to the needle. Now connect the one free end of the wire to the positive terminal. Leave the other end free. Take another piece of the wire connected to the another terminal. Insert the free end of wires into one half. You will observe that compass needle gets the deflected and also find that always the wire connected to the positive terminal. They felt that this discovery was very useful because it would be used for identifying the positive terminal of a cell or negative terminal of a cell. Current carrying wire or a coil. If a permanent magnet is brought near it, one end of the coil gets attracted and the other gets repelled. This shown if a piece of soft iron is kept inside this circuit current carrying coil, the iron piece attracted. Such magnets are called electromagnets. Electric bell. An electric bell is one of the most commonly used applications of electromagnet. It works on the electromagnetic waves. It produces repeating buzz. Electric bells have been widely used in the telephones, fire and burglars, alarms at railway stations, railway crossings, doorbells, shoot bells. So many are there. When electric bulb consists of an electromagnetic springy iron strip. An electric bell works on the principle of electromagnetism. It is a simple device which has U-shaped solenoid one end which is connected to the spring of switch, and basically all components such as the switch, electromagnet, hammer, soft iron, alarm, armature and spring. When electric current is allowed to pass through the circuit, the iron core of the solenoid gets the magnetized and the soft iron. When the armature moves towards the poles of the solenoid, the circuit breaks and the solenoid loses its magnetism. This process of armature of the hammer return to the other original position. These all are affecting terms of the electric current. Next class we will continue the parallel and series connection, uses and disadvantages. Thank you and God bless you all.